first I'm going to gather my equipment. My MAR calls for Novolin R 12 units and Novolin N 20 units. So I'm going to get those insulins. I'm going to get an insulin syringe and needle, and then I'm also going to get an alcohol swab. Then I will perform hand hygiene. Next, I'm going to compare my insulins with my MAR. So I have my NPH insulin, and then I also have my regular insulin. Next, I'm going to roll my NPH medicine. Okay, now I will take my alcohol swab and I'm going to clean the tops and set it on a flat surface. Next, I'm going to safely recap my needle. And I'm going to set it in a place where it will not get contaminated. Okay, so first I will inject I will remove 20 units of air into my Novolin N. Then I will get my Novolin N and I will inject 20 units of air, making sure not to touch or contaminate the tip of my needle. Then my NAR calls for 12 units of regular Novolin. So I will withdraw 12 units and I am going to inject into my regular insulin. Then I will invert and I will withdraw 12 units. Then I'm going to tap to make sure I get out all the air bubbles. I'm going to double check to make sure I got 12 units. And then I am going to verify with a nurse, is that 12 units of normal insulin?
Yes, this is 12 units of normal insulin.
Thank you. Okay, then I am going to inject or put my needle into my Novolin N solution for 20 units for a total of 32 units. Then I'm going to tap for air bubbles, and I'm going to double check and make sure I have 32 total units. And I am going to verify again with a nurse to make sure that I have a total of 32 units.
Yes, that is 32 units.
Okay, then I will go ahead and remove, and I am going to safely recap. Then I would take it to my patient, and since this is an insulin shot, I would inject in the left lower quadrant of my patient's abdomen.